How about a 2016 Corvette, 14,000 miles? It's a Z06 Z07 3LZ Coupe cammed 700 plus horsepower. This is a beautiful car. My goodness. To see more detailed pictures and check the pricing on this car, click the link right down below this video. It will take you to all that information. Arctic white on the exterior, adrenaline red on the interior. This makes a beautiful color combination. And as we said, under the hood, 700 plus horsepower, supercharged LT4 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Now, factory features include the $8,945 3LZ Preferred Equipment Group. We'll always remind you this includes navigation, performance data recorder, Napa leather seating, color keyed instrument panel, leather wraps instrument panel, center console, door panels. It has that wonderful Bose 10-speaker stereo system. It has steering wheel controls. It has auto-dimming mirrors, heated and vented seats, dual power seat bolster and lumbar, advanced theft deterrent, universal garage door transmitter. It has the memory package as well. This car also has a front camera. And it has the wonderful suede microfiber wrapped upper trim package as well. Now, it also has the $995 Z07 performance package. This includes stage 3 front and rear aerial components. It has the Brembo carbon ceramic matrix brake rotors, and it has the $2,995 carbon flash ground effects package. Makes this car look beautiful, and with those black wheels and the carbon flash bed package, it's just a wonderful looking car. Remote start, heads-up display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, magnetic selective ride control, rear differential cooler, multi-mode exhaust, dry sump oil system, Bluetooth package, keyless entry and start, dual zone electronic climate control, and everything on this car is power, of course. It has active handling, and it comes, best of all, with a clean Carfax. And you see it's loaded with options. And this car shows just 14,710 miles. It's an overall very good condition. The interior, well, you can see the interior shows very good factory leather seats, door panels, very good center console and steering wheel. Now, a couple additions to this car include a Texas Speed and Performance aftermarket performance camshaft. Has the GripTec 260 upper supercharged overdrive pulley, axle-back performance exhaust. It has the Halltech cold air intake, stainless steel long tube headers, have those aftermarket taillights and blacked out marker lenses, and it also has window tint. Now, the dyno sheet for this and invoice for the camshaft installation are included in your purchase as well. So give us a call, buyavette.net here in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience. Give one of our sales representatives a call. We ship nationwide, less expensive than you could ever imagine, and we make buying online something you do with confidence. Buyavette.net. Give us a call today.